What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. Just want to make a quick video on this site, Adsrepay. Just to kind of show you guys that I did get paid from it, so that it is legit. It's still paying, and pretty much I just want to show you my proof because I know there might have been some doubts of, if they're paying or not. So if I go down to my activity right here, you can see it in my dashboard. I got paid a few days ago. I think it was on the 17th. So yeah, right here, I'm redeemed for PayPal, 500 points, which is $5. I did get credited for doing a content creator bonus on it, so they gave me $5 for that. But I was just making sure that it was paying. That's the main thing. Whenever I get involved with a new site, I just want to kind of play around with it, make sure it's legit before I really go in on it. So now that I know that it is legit, I can continue using it. So just to show you even further proof that it did go to my PayPal account. Well, first let me show you my email to show you that they did send me that. So I'm going to log into my email real quick. So you'll see right here, they did send me an email just basically showing that they did pay me. You'll see here, status complete, $5 they sent me. And then literally right after that, I got the notice from PayPal, $5.10. So that's basically what it was. They sent me $5.10, I think, just because they know there's fees with PayPal. So it ended up being more so like $5 anyway. So the thing is, that's just showing you that it's proof. They will send you PayPal. It will come under this name. So I think when they first sent me the email, I was like, where am I getting this $5 from? I wasn't sure because sometimes the company they'll have, well, most of the time they have their name in the PayPal invoice, whatever. But for here, it's not. But the thing is, the fact that they sent me an email right before this one and knowing that I cashed out $5, it had to be them. So I appreciate the fact that they do send you a notification, let you know that they do pay you, and then right after that, your money comes to you. I didn't have to wait at all long for this payment. I think I waited less than 24 hours, so it wasn't even like a long period of time. And I think getting paid, within a day, that's pretty good time frame. You don't have to wait forever for your payment. So just going back to the page now, there's a lot of things you can do on here. If you want a full tutorial on this website, I will leave the link at the top of this video. You can click on that link above and you'll go to that video where I show you a complete breakdown and, things you can do on this website. But I really just wanted to show you guys that it is legit. It is paying. There's lots of things you can do on here. My last video that I made on this site, this site actually commented on that video. So they are involved with social media. They are kind of, letting you know what's going on. So the fact that they are actually out there makes you feel even better as a member, knowing that, they're legit and they're paying and that, if you have any problems, you can always reach out to them. So that's just showing you the payment proof. I will leave the link to sign up for this site in the description. There's a tons of things you can do as far as offers, surveys, clicking on ads, watching videos. They make it really good. The layout on this page is really cool. So, just sign up for it. It's completely free. Lots of things you could do on here to make money for free. So all you got to do, click on the link, get started with it, and always remember, every penny counts.
If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.